Hi. Today I'll just be discussing my AM. I focused on Henry VIII of England and the Protestant Reformation and kind of how they're connected. This is just my homepage. It has my learning objectives, my state standards, and an overview of what to do. This I have buttons throughout, so it swiftly takes you from one page to the next, but there's also a bar up here if you need it. This is just an overview of Henry and his life and everything he's done. I have some videos throughout that are supposed to be helpful. This is the video that I made to go along with it, and it mostly discusses his family and all of his wives that he had because that's like one of the most famous parts of his history. I made a puzzle to go along with it as well. I created a few fun facts that go throughout the website. They don't really add much, but just to kind of throw in something to break up the monotony of it all. This is kind of leads into the next section, kind of change your thinking from the man to the religion. And so from here on is just focused on more Protestantism and the differences. I also added a Padlet. Lastly, this is just the assessment page where I will just have students create like their own video of a few minutes answering the prompt. I would say my most favorite part of the website would be, I guess, just the design aspect of it all and creating all the little elements that go into it, like being able to create something and then embed it in the website. That was really cool to me. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.